In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use NordVPN on multiple devices. This is a simple, step-by-step guide to help you stay protected wherever you are, whether you're at home, at work, or on the move. With one NordVPN account, you can secure all your devices at the same time. First, head over to the NordVPN website and choose the plan that works best for you. You'll see monthly options as well as longer plans that offer better savings. Once you've selected a plan, create your account and make sure to use a strong, secure password. Next, download the NordVPN app on every device you want to protect. On Windows or Mac OS, visit nordvpn.com/download and install the app from there. On Android or iPhone, open the Google Play Store or the App Store and search for NordVPN. If you prefer a lighter setup, there are also browser extensions available for Chrome and Firefox. And if you're using Android TV or Fire TV, you can find the app directly in the Play Store or Amazon App Store. After installing the app, open it and log in using your account details. This automatically syncs your devices, so you don't have to go through a separate setup each time. From there, you can tap Quick Connect to let NordVPN choose the best server for you, or manually select a server if you prefer. Repeat this process on your other devices, and just like that, everything you use is protected. If you haven't signed up for NordVPN yet, you can use my affiliate link in the description to get a big discount. You'll receive 74% off plus 3 extra months added to your plan. That's all there is to it. You're now using NordVPN across multiple devices. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.